Hey, hello guys. Now I'm on the lead mode when I'm filming this, and Tuesday by the time you guys see this, yeah, you can tell we got a lot more snow on the ground. We did try the past few days this past week of BS, but yeah, that's because we had the blizzard more through last day, but yeah. But it's still temporary though. It's also cooled down even more than it was yesterday though. But man, so yeah, so yeah. But anyway, so yeah, I just finished working on yesterday's vlog. What's more now, just pretty much exporting and uploading my screen. But yeah, so yeah, so yeah, hey everybody, guys. Hope everyone is enjoying the beginning of the work weekend. Yeah, and hope everyone enjoyed the weekend though. But yeah, so well, I should finish. But of course, I'm off work today because of the the bleaching and the cleanup from that though. But yeah, so well, yeah, so yeah, so so that's all good. But yeah. But what call them by chữ thì I don't think not less on in khi đập so now the driving and the city story so yeah so mấy anh yeah of course mấy anh as I said at the end of yesterday's vlog I'll be off work tomorrow too yep. She's I begin to describe the playing me 12 too, so wait on yeah. So I work in the course 3 days this week Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so wait on yeah. So wait on yeah. So wait on so on there's literally no just to talk about now. So pretty much stop talking now, and I'll pretty much read on the vlog to export, and then I'll pretty much upload pretty much talk to you guys Leonti. Wait guys, so these mommy now the afternoon now yeah you can tell about those now yeah. Got a test to do now. Got something to do here, and first got some oh clean do with the two vehicles we have here. But yes, so man, so far it's been a good relaxing day. Nonetheless, oh yeah. So yeah. So but now that it's finally cleared up. Now it's time to get some stuff in and washing them done. So yeah, so I'll finish up to you guys once I finished all the show you guys how we did. Alright guys, so just finished shoveling now. Yeah, as you can tell, I think I done a pretty decent job of shoveling though. I scooped off the vehicles was good, but yeah. But soon will be nicely done on the plow, but oh well. So yeah. So yeah. So I've had to go in and drive and teach my clothes one up. Yeah. And I'll be pretty much cleaning up relaxing the rest of the day and the night. So there's will be much more of vlog to see, but yeah. So hope you enjoyed nonetheless. Okay guys, so it's night time now, but yeah. As you can tell, we do got a bit of more cloud every now and then than what we had earlier, so yeah. So mấy ngày so yeah. So but on that there's no change in the conditions between when I was out earlier and now. So, man, so got on MC News Boston, which is repercussion, city to Halifax, but yeah. And voices actually are now between Casey Bellamy and Adam Levine, Maroon 5. Yeah, the old timer. Oh well, he's not quite there yet, but it's just my bad joke of the MD, so oh my. But yeah, so man, so yep, but yes, but it's good that the video's back to voice up for the first time in a decade or so. But yes, so yeah. But I really grew up on Maroon 5 from my that from my childhood and well, guess early part too and teenager. Yeah, so oh man, so yeah, so man, so voice back for the new season for anyone who is a fan of the voice though. So oh yeah. So yeah. So yeah, I'm blessed. But anyway, I'm back to that's been and shall we now 9:30 now. So yeah. So so hope you enjoy the vlog. Even though the way much cut into it since since I was in the home all day, but yeah. But I did enjoy the day. Not less yes, but of course, in 12 I did decide to go back to work. Yep, on Tuesday instead of Monday, just cause it'll be a busy day. We kept in Lewis from yesterday and 12, so yeah, so man, so yeah, and I also go to my Skype appointment. Oh, wait at work too. So just but do not look forward to it. It has to be done though. So yeah. So but of course, wish me luck for when tomorrow because I'll be him needed, especially I'm a little not stressed, but I'm just a little nervous. That's also yes. So man. So yeah. So man. So anyway so really stop talking now and I'll that's bit now. Yeah, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys towards the open out.